And I say the first poem, even though it really begins with this standard, which is also a poem. And they are altogether a poem. And this book is altogether a poem. And there are poems. It's there's a lot of layers here. But this is called per aspera. And that is part, speaking of layers, like half of a Latin phrase, ad astra, per aspera, which basically means to the stars through difficulty or struggle. And so I'm letting the ad astra, the to the stars, be a given and thinking through the struggle. Listen, we ain't all well. This world spins designs which madden us, shape us like dough, bake us crisp. There may be those who will crumble us into paving for their own roads. Listen, we mustn't let them, but also love. We aren't all well. We can't all resist as well as we might. We can't all fight enough or at all, and I can't say how we heal. I wish I could. I would. I'll try.